This beautiful fall weekday, we had a scheduled pottery class in Bushwick. Let's take a train there. Do you know much about this area? In the 19th century, it was actually known as a beer capital, and by the 70s, all the breweries had closed. Neighborhood was neglected. However, Bushwick has quickly become a hip area in the past couple of years. Factory facades has been transferred into canvases for talented street artists, and creative types are flocking into the area. They say a new bar or a coffee shop opens every week in Bushwick. Wandering around the area, we bumped into this flower shop, and it would be the secret place number 1. A sustainable, charming flower studio that running creative workshops and events. I definitely coming back for some, because this is amazing. The other gem is just around the corner. Number 2, Rozier Farms. The place is so unique. They make Castor and Moringa oils from scratch. I wish you could smell this amazing fresh squeezed castor oil scent. Guess what? They have oil making workshops, and that's supposed to be really exciting. I'm coming back for those too. And finally, we're at our destination point, the place number 3, Pottery class. I found this experience on Airbnb and will be placing all the links in the description down below. This place has such a hip vibe. The class started with the short demonstration covering the basics of the wheel-based pottery. After that, we had an hour of hands-on learning. And I can tell you, it's not that easy as it seems in a ghost movie. Depending on time, you'll have an opportunity to make 1 or 2 pieces. Pottery takes about a week to dry out, so you'll be able to pick up your masterpiece next week or have it shipped. Also, wear something that you don't mind getting dirty. These are 3 experiences I found in Bushwick. Hope you found this video helpful. Please support me by liking and subscribing.